Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Hocking County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southeast of Kingston, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Logan, Hocking Hills State Park, Star, Laurelville, Adelphi, South Bloomingville, Enterprise, Gibbsonville, Islesboro, Union Furnace, Lake Logan State Park, and Rockbridge. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.